Hello dear ones, welcome to 224 tutorials. This is Jasko Khalsa, an ardent learner, a teacher by profession, a polymath by passion, a soul of Almighty, a daughter of lovely parents. Dear ones, I am on with the new word of today. So, stay with me till the end. The word is Cooper. How did I pronounce it? Cooper. Just repeat after me. Cooper. Make a practice and check yourself. Are you doing it right as I did it before? That's good. Now see the spelling. C-O-O-P-E-R. Okay? Dear ones, this is the word which has some variants also that you will get to know after watching the following slides coming your way. So let's go in. Enjoy the video.